Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our page. To do it, we have to click on here. Then we have to select insist from here. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to type at 3.5. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to type at 2. Then we have to click on the OK. To set up the page, we have to select the pen tool. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to click on here and do a curve. Then we have to press and hold Alt key. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to click on here and do a curve again. Then we have to press and hold Alt key. Then we have to click on angle point. Then we have to click on here, here, and here. Then we have to select the move tool. After that, we have to select the pen tool again. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to click on here, here, and here. Then select the move tool. Then double click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then click on here. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the red. Then I have to click on the tick mark. Now I have to select this layer, then double click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK, then select this layer, then double click on here, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then I have to select the pen tool again, then I have to click on here, then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to press and hold Alt key, then I have to click on here, 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 and here. Then I have to select the move tool, then I have to select the pen tool again, here, then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to press and hold Alt key, then I have to click on here, here, here. Then I have to select the move tool, then I have to press and hold the hit key, then increase the size of this. Then double click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK. So select the blue color, then click on the OK, then drag this under this layer. Then you have to select this layer, then drag this in here, then double click on here, then select this color. After that you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then you have to select these layers, then drag this under these layers. After that you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on the OK. Now we have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color. Then you have to drag this in here, then you have to drag this in here, then click on the OK. Then click on the OK again. Now I have to select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then scroll down from here, then select the grays from here, then select this color, then select this, then click on the color, then select the white color, then select this, then click on the color, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then you have to drag this in here, then click on the OK again. Now I have to select this, and double click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then I have to select this again, then I have to press and hold Alt key, then I have to take a copy from this. So friends, now I have to set the other things of the business card. So look at the screen attentively. After opening all the icons, you have to set these icons in your business card. Now we have to select the text tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to write your name in here. Then you have to select this text, then you have to click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then select the shape tool, then right click on here, then select the rounded rectangle tool, then draw this shape in here. Click on here, then select, then click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Now we have to select the text tool again, then click on here, then write your number in here. Then you have to select the text tool again, then click on here, then write your email in here. Then select the text tool again, then decrease the size of this. Then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to select the text tool again, then click on here, then write your website name in here. Then select the move tool, then decrease the size of this. Then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Now you have to select the text tool again, then click on that, then write your location in here. Then select the move tool, then decrease the size of this. Then click on the tick mark. Now you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After set the logo, you have to select the text tool again, then click on here, then write your company name in here. Then select the move tool, then decrease the size of this. Then click on the tick mark. Now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to click on the backspace. Then you have to back to the project. Then you have to unlock all layers. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to drag these layers in here. Then you have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.